Our place really thought of everything with this amazing pressure cooker, slow cooker, 4-mode kitchen appliance. I absolutely love this. It is so simple and sleek. It is a neutral color. It's gonna look good in any kitchen. And let me just tell you about its features. It can do slow cooking, it can do pressure cooking, you can saute things, and it has a warm mode, so you can just keep things warm. I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can make sure and tell you all the right buttons, but this is just an awesome touch screen. I love the digital aspect of it. You just gently press it, and that brings on your options. So it has the slow cook mode, and if you push that, you can do low, medium, or high. So like, let's just put low, it will bring up the timer, and then from there you can set your time. It goes in increments of 30 minutes for the slow cooker. And then let's see, let's go back and see like medium, same thing, 30-minute increments. And then if we choose like saute, you can do low, medium, or high, and you can do it by minutes. If you want to pressure cook, that's the third option. You could do low, medium, or high. Let's say medium. And then again, you can just set your time by minutes. So it doesn't have to be in 30-minute increments, and then you just start or stop. So this would be warming up mode. And then once it knows that the lid is locked, it's really gonna start locking in that pressure. So it's beeping right now to let you know, like, you've started the timer, but your lid isn't locked. Once you lock it, that little timer will go off and your cooking will resume. I love that smart feature about it. And on the next mode, the last mode is just to keep warm. So you can choose how long you want to keep your food warm for, and it's just gonna keep it warm for you for as long as you need. The lid is really heavy. It's great for locking in all that pressure that you need. It has a valve right here. So the valve, this would be like if you want to let the steam come out naturally when it's done, or you can do the quick release. So you can just control that there. It's a really great ceramic coated pan. I love Our Place products because they have 0 forever chemicals in it. So it is just a nice, clean brand that you're gonna feel good about cooking your food in and not worrying about that. If you turn it around, it is really heavy and sturdy. I love it. So this right here is the condensation collector. So if you want to empty that, once the liquids have gone into that, all you do is you pull it out away from the device. You do not pull it down, you just pull it out, and then you can empty out the liquids, you can clean it out, and then when you're ready to put it back on, it just snaps right back on there. Really simple. I know I mentioned the no forever chemicals, but that is a really important aspect for me. I was so thrilled when I found this brand and had my eye on this, that they do not have any PFAS, any PFOAs, any PTFEs, or any heavy metals. None of that is in their products. So I feel confident when I'm cooking for my family that this is truly a high performance, non-stick, but also a clean way of cooking for my family. I love that the non-stick is so much easier to clean than stainless steel. So that's a really great improved feature in this versus other pressure cookers that I have. Everything on it is detachable. So like the cord is detachable, so it makes for easy storage. The condensation collector is detachable. Inside the lid, you have the silicone ring that comes out so that you can clean under there and make sure that no food or liquid is stuck under there and it's gonna collect mold. I also love that it comes with this great little get started kit. It comes with a quick start guide. It comes with a really great recipe book that has genuinely good recipes that you will want to make for your family. And then you've got just your full in-depth user manual for the Dream Cooker. So I was gifted this. I am so happy to add it to my home, to my kitchen appliances, and I give this a 5-star review.